Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. All persons having anything to do before the Honorable, the Justice of the Appeals Court, now sitting at Boston, within the ambit of the Commonwealth, draw near, give your attendance, and you shall be heard. God save the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Court is open. Please be seated.
Good morning. Welcome to the Appeals Court. I am Justice Rubin. To my right, Justice Henry. To my left, Justice Hand. We have one case on the list for today. It's Department of Children and Families versus Mother and Another, number 22595. It has come to the court's attention that there seems to have been some misunderstanding on the part of Father's counsel about when argument would be. Yes, can you take the go to the podium so we can hear you. Is that correct?
It is, Your Honor. I made a mistake.
You made a mistake?
Yes, Your Honor, I made the mistake.
I see.
Other counsel received notice with the 11th date on it. I thought I read an email that scheduled it for the 13th, which was a relief to me because I was originally scheduled to be in a trial starting Monday in the Superior Court. So I unfortunately told my client that it was 10:30 on the 13th. I believe that so much that I filed a motion in a lower court for a hearing that morning.
Okay.
That is mine.
The question is, what should we do? And particularly in this instance, because as I understand it, the father continues to want to argue the case on his own behalf.
He does, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
And we have issued an order of which you are now in receipt, as I understand. I understand you got a hard copy of it, actually, at the date we were last here.
I did, Your
Our
Honor.
order denying the motion to withdraw and have him argue. And that said that if he was going to argue, we needed a new motion supported by an affidavit.
Yes, Your
We don't have such a motion, so far as I'm aware.
Not yet, Your Honor, no.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do. Given the rights that are at issue here of the father, we're not going to hold argument today where he wants to argue and wasn't told that he could be here and didn't know that we were holding an argument. So we're not doing that. He had thought the 13th was when we were arguing it. The panel has discussed it, and we are available at 9:30 a.m. on the 13th. Of course, that doesn't mean all of you are. Are you? No. So, yeah, please, maybe go to the microphone too, just so we have a record of all this, and identify yourself, please.
Nicole Paquin, counsel for the appellee child. Your Honor, unfortunately, I am not available on the morning of the 13th. I am scheduled to appear before USCIS in Lawrence at 8:15 a.m. for a green card interview representing some clients. And so I have little faith that I'd be able to make a
No, I hear you. It sounds like that could take all day, I would think.
It could, and if it were a state court matter, I would happily see
Oh,
the
I understand.
continuance.
No. Yes, you should represent your client at that proceeding. This presents some difficulty. Let me look.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This case has gone on for a long time, and all the parties, particularly the children, are entitled to a rapid resolution of it, and we're not. So I'd like to proceed expeditiously. Could the members of the panel do Friday morning?
I have a sitting, but if it's only 3 cases,
So what time? Maybe
we should be
12?
done by 11.
11?
You could
Afternoon.
move that.
Hmm? Good one.
I don't know whether there's anything for the Friday, whether my panel should discuss that.
Okay, well, here's what we're going to do. You all have undoubtedly blocked out 30 minutes anyway for now. So why don't we take a brief recess? We will come up with a couple of times that might work and come back in here. Now, the father, of course, isn't here, and you need a time that he can make it. Do you know, maybe if you can go to the microphone?
I will retrieve Father from his home on the date assigned.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
I will retrieve Father from his home.
Okay.
On the date the court chooses and bring him here personally.
Okay, assuming he doesn't have another obligation that makes it impossible, but
He
all
will
right.
make himself available, Your Honor. I don't,
All right, we will take a brief recess, and we will come back and look at dates. It's really very tricky. I don't want to rush him, and if he's prepared for Thursday, I assume tomorrow, what's the story with tomorrow for him? I don't want him to be rushed. I want him to feel prepared and ready.
so we had met on the 24th at his home for a couple of hours. We've communicated back and forth. The plan was to meet again today,
Yeah.
have the affidavit signed and filed, and then review his argument once or twice. I was hoping to have tomorrow, but if he needs to be here tomorrow.
Oh, we will do it Thursday or after. Unfortunately, I will be out of town all of next week, so that's going to be tricky. But can you all do the afternoon on Friday?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, yes? Should we just do that?
That's fine.
All right, that's what we're going to do. So we'll schedule it for, how early, 2, 1:30, 3? All right, argument will be held in this case at 2 p.m. I'm sure I'm going to find out. I shouldn't be scheduling this, but at 2 p.m. on Friday, February 14th.
Thank you, Your Honors. April.
April.
April, what did I say? What did
Is
I?
it April? It's April.
April 14th.
Yes, Your Honor. I think you said February.
Okay, so 2 p.m., Friday, April 14th, we will hear argument in this matter. Therefore, this hearing is concluded, and the court will stand in recess.
Thank you, Your
We'll
Honor.
see you all on Friday. Thank you.